Welcome to apartment number 16 here on Rockhill Street. This is the apartment building. We just got back, so there's lots of rehab going. We're right across from Washington Elementary. There's rehabbers. See, hi rehabbers. That's what we're working on right now. It's the beginning of May. It's 2021. Hopefully all the rehab's done here, the next couple of months. This is apartment number 16, and it's an upper. 1 bedroom, 1 bath. You do pay your own electric, and it's an all-electric apartment. So electric hot water, electric stove, the air conditioner. So it's got air conditioning. We just laid this brand new hardwood bamboo floor. And it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So air conditioning, we added the overhead light. You got great light coming in. The school is right there. Here's the nice shot down through this thing. So hardwood floors throughout. Remodeled the whole kitchen. These beautiful new countertops, the brand new smooth top stove, electric, never been used in its life with the smooth top. Great counter space, tons of counter space, the deep well sink. You always want that deep well sink, otherwise you're never gonna be able to wash anything. You've got lots and lots of cabinets. This is a good little kitchen. Nice big refrigerator. Then down the hall, you've got a coat closet here. And then the bathroom has everything a bathroom needs, new flooring. Curved shower rod. Once you get a curved shower rod, you are never going to go back. That is that's the bee's knees. Some old guy probably said that once. All right, bathroom. Everything the bathroom needs. And then a nice big bedroom. This bedroom is probably, 13 by 14, maybe 14 by 15. Nice big bedroom. Parking lot out back. Parking lot, so there's the dumpster. That's where your trash goes. Cars down below. We're in the heart of West Central. It's got a huge closet all the way across there. Let's see if I can backpedal. I can NFL defensive back there. And then the only other closet is this one, but you can't really go nuts here because that's your hot water heater. You can put a couple things up there, but you can't pile in around the hot water heater. But your hot water heater's in your space. All right, so this is number 16. I believe I'm at 1006 Rockhill. I am in the bedroom. Beautiful hardwood floors, new overhead light, big closet, everything a bathroom needs, curved shower rod, you'll never go back. New flooring, nice big open living room, good natural light, cute, beautiful kitchen, all redone, and a brand new, well, as of May 2021, brand new smooth top stove. You'll pay electric here. You also have the water sewer fee, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video with us.